What is up, everyone? And today I'm going to be showing you the best OBS settings for a bad PC or a laptop or a bad laptop. So these are the settings that I've investigated. Now I've actually tried to find the best settings for OBS. Like, it spent me like roughly, I would say 2 days, cause it felt like 2 days, but it was like, it took 2 days, but it was like 2 hours if you counted 2 days. But like, it took forever, and like, these settings are actually very good. Now they're good, but they can be better. So they're for a bad PC. So what can you do? Now? So let's jump in OBS right here. Now, as you can see, I'm using browser source, and this is for like when someone like follows or like subscribes. I have a link down below to that video that I made on how to use OBS and everything. So that's that's one thing. Oh, by the way, guys, I got a new microphone, which is now very good, and it works very nice. I really like this microphone, actually. It's one of the best, like, to be honest. So yeah, what you're gonna do, I'm not recording with OBS, which is good. So what you're gonna do is go to settings, click settings right here. Now once you click settings, you choose theme. You should go to, you can have a default, but I suggest dark because it's much easier for your eyes. And Rachni, I think that's how you say it. That actually kind of looks cool, but I'm gonna keep it dark. I'll keep it dark for now. So yeah, here there's not much to actually do. I didn't change anything here. I just left it default. Now on stream, this is for the stream key and everything. So output settings. Now this is what you have to be careful. This is the streaming settings. Now I'm showing for the best recording settings and the streaming settings. So yeah, so pretty much, yeah. So so have your output mode on advanced right here, and target usage, keep it on balance. I don't know, I was just testing it out. If quality was actually good, nope, just keep it balanced. So here on your encoder, do not use x264. Now I know a lot of YouTubers say to use x264. Do not use it. It's very bad. It'll say you'll always get a message down here. You'll always get a message down here saying encoder overload. Try turning down camera settings or something. Do not use that. Do not, and I say do not use that. Use QuickSync, or if you have another graphics card, I think, use that because it's much better. So target usage, once again, go balanced. Profile high. Keyframe interval seconds, go 2, and then async depth, go 4, and then rate control, go CBR. Now for the bitrate, I recommend for laptops and bad computers, I recommend 20,000. Now you're probably thinking, 20,000, are you actually joking? No, I'm not joking, because it's actually quite good. Now 50,000 crashes my computer, because like it cannot handle that. It can't handle the bitrate of 50,000. A lot of YouTubers say like 1,500 or like 50,000 for bad computers. Keep it 20,000, or if it's quite bad, maybe go down to 10,000 or lower. So that's a streaming setting done. If you guys want to stream something, or maybe just want some good stuff for your streamers. Not streamers, viewers. Okay, so now let's head on to the recording tab. Go to type standard, and output mode, keep it advanced. Okay, so here You can choose where you want to go. I'm not really showing anything for that. Recording format, I recommend MP4 because you can do a lot of things with the MP4 file. So yeah, just keep it MP4. Then quick sync, use streaming coder. Streaming coder would be quick sync. So yeah, use quick sync once again. Rescale output. Yeah, keep it 960 x 540. Okay, why did I say 40 and 440 and then like a weird way? Okay, 960 x 540. Now keep it like that. I will show you guys another thing you have to do. So yeah, keep it like that. Don't worry about this right here. Target usage, keep it balanced once again. Profile high, keyframe 2, and then async depth 4. Now CBR, yeah, keep it like that. And bitrate, yeah, keep it 20,000 because I was testing out 50,000 and it's a bad idea. Do not go 50,000. It will crash completely your computer and it won't work at all. So next, I don't really mind these like things here. Don't mind these, just keep them on default, and these are the most important parts. Now let's go on to the audio. Now as you can see, I'm using my microphone right now. It's a very good one. If you want like to have some like push to mute or some push to talk, you can have that. As you can see, I just have one like audio device here. Yep. So now let's go to the video settings. Now this is the very important parts. Now why do I have it? Oh yeah, because I was testing some things out. So base canvas, keep it 1280 times 720 because I'm gonna show you another thing after I show you these the stuff. Keep it 960 x 540. Why do I keep saying 40 like that? Oh, I remember. Oh my god. Okay, 540. And put it on bilinear. Fastest but blurry if scaling. Okay, and put it on common FPS values, and have it on 30 frames per second. Yep. And now what you want to do is close it and keep changes. And now once you've done that, unfortunately you cannot have the best quality on your computer. So all you need to do is right click your desktop and click display settings. Now why? Because we need to change the display settings down a bit, because you know we have to like sacrifice some stuff for better recording for views. Oh god, okay, yeah, I haven't seen this in a while. Oh, why is this moved? Okay, let me just okay, yep, this is so weird. Okay, yeah, so you have to have it like that. Now you have to sacrifice some things for your viewers. Oh god, okay, so before you start recording, put this on, and once you finish recording, you can change it back to whatever you have. Now I don't want to have that yet, so you have to have it like that. But once you get enough money, you can buy yourself a pretty good computer. And if you want me, if you guys want me to make a video on oh, that's much better. If you want me if you guys want me to make a video on that, for like for how to have for the best OBS settings you can have on a good computer, then be sure to leave it down in the comments below. Anyways guys, thank you. Oh god, I'm a bit sick. Thank you all guys for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Let me down below if this video was helpful to you. And also, if you guys want me to show you how to download OBS, and make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Anyways guys, I'll see you later. Bye bye.